Dude, you can see the icon on Ferris wheel, that star flyer in the distance. See it on the horizon? Isn't that crazy? Oh, we get to go to the Contemporary Resort, everyone. I forgot about this. This is cool. Wow. I see Space Mountain. There's Space Mountain, and I see Tron behind it. There's, oh, I see the Astro Orbiter. And there's Cinderella's castle. There's the reveal. Well, not quite the reveal, but I see it. Oh, I see the Walt Disney World Railroad on the outer burn here. Main Street Station. What a grand entrance to the world's busiest theme park. Look at all those people already lined up. And that's the end of our ride on the Walt Disney World Monorail Express service to the Magic Kingdom Transportation Center. Thank you for riding with us. Enjoy the rest of your day, wherever you are. Let's go to the park.